Today in this lesson we are going to convert sentences of past tense to passive voice. Before I begin, I want to ask you a question. Which are the to be verbs of past tense? Yes, was, were. Here I have taken few sentences. Look at the first example. Walt Disney drew Mickey Mouse. Walt Disney was an American animator, writer, and voice actor. He developed the character Mickey Mouse in 1928. This is just for your information. Let's come back to our sentence. Let's go step by step and convert this sentence to passive voice. Step 1 is to identify SVO. Walt Disney subject, drew verb, Mickey Mouse object. Step 2 is to swap subject with object and object with subject. Walt Disney is written at the end of the sentence and Mickey Mouse is written on the subject's place. Step 3 is to add helping verb. Mickey Mouse is singular noun, so we will use was here. Step 4 is to convert main verb to third form of the verb. Draw, drew, drawn. So we have written drawn here after was. Step 5 is to add preposition by before Walt Disney. Here is the complete passive sentence. Mickey Mouse was drawn by Walt Disney. Look at the example 2. The dog chased the cat. Step 1 is to identify SVO, the dog subject, chased verb, the cat object. Step 2 is to swap subject with object and object with subject. So we have exchanged the places of the dog and the cat. Step 3 is to add suitable helping verb. Here chase suggests us that this is the sentence of simple past. So helping verb of past tense are was, were. The cat is a singular noun, so we have used was here after the cat. Step 4, third form of chased is chased only. So we have written chased after was. And last step, preposition by is added before the dog. So the complete passive sentence is like this. The cat was chased by the dog. And what is the active sentence? The dog chased the cat. The dog subject, chased verb, the cat object. Look at the third sentence. My father planted this tree last year. Here active voice pattern or structure is S plus V plus O, and the passive voice structure is S plus B. B means helping verb of to be plus past participle V3 plus by plus O. Now let's convert it. Step 1, subject my father, object this tree, verb planted. Step 2 is to swap subject with object and object with subject. So places of my father and this tree are exchanged. Step 3 is to add suitable helping verb. Here this tree is a singular noun, so we have written was after this tree. Third form of planted is written here after was. Step 5 is to add preposition by before my father. So the complete sentence of passive voice is like this. This tree was planted by my father last year. Now look at some more examples. The cat killed a snake. A snake was killed by the cat. Passive voice sentence. Columbus discovered America and America was discovered by Columbus. This is passive voice. This much in this lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing.